once again, audience. Where we left off, I'm going to, I don't know what to do, so here. So, I should just, talk about my dog. Remember him? Enjoy darkness and redness and whiteness. Finally, there's some whiteness. So, remember when I said, I would do a video game review? Well, I'm not going to do that tomorrow, because I'm going to go watch Expendables 2. So, and my house is all crummy, as you can see. So on the other hand, I'm going to do a video game review after Expendables 2. Oh, hey, doggy. Oh, look at my dog. He's so cute. Enjoy darkness, the redness, the whiteness again. You can follow me on Twitter, which is Andy Delatorre, and I can follow you. So I don't know. I might do a review trolling my friends, or I might do a Minecraft review on in real life, Minecraft in real life, or if Xbox games were real. I'm gonna do a thing. Oh, gross. Ugh, gross. So I'm gonna do if Xbox games were real. So I'm gonna try a lot of games first. Oh, gross. Gotta stop that somehow. No. Stop. You're gross. You're gross. You're gross. And I mean it. Enjoy darkness and redness and whiteness for the third time. And when I'm older, I'm gonna do a review in my car if I'm older, and it's called a death review. No, there's not gonna be death reviews because I might die. Yeah. So, god dang flies. So if I'm doing great on these videos, leave the comments below. And I mean it, because there's no comments in any of my videos. I'm serious. So, thanks for watching. Go try to click and watch the next video. Bless your face. If you sneeze during this video, bless you. Peace out.